Ever feel that tiny pang of panic when you try to log into your Qonto account and your usual password just isn't working? Or maybe you just have that feeling that it's time for a digital refresh, a clean slate for your online security. I mean, we're all told to change our passwords regularly, but when it comes to something as important as your business banking, the how-to can feel a little high stakes. You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at that login screen, a mix of frustration and urgency bubbling up. But don't worry, securing your Qonto account with a brand new, robust password is a lot easier than you might think. And today, we're going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process so you can get back to what you do best, running your business. So, let's dive into the two primary scenarios you'll encounter. The first is when you're already logged in and just want to proactively change your password. This is the smart, proactive move we all should be making. The second is when you've forgotten your password and need to reset it. Both are straightforward, but they take slightly different paths. Let's start with the proactive change. You're logged in, everything's fine, you just want to update things. You'll want to navigate to the settings section of your Qonto account. From there, look for a tab or an option that says security or password. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This is a crucial security step to ensure it's really you making the change. Once you've entered your old password, you'll be able to create and confirm your brand new one. Remember the golden rules of password creation: make it long, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and for goodness sake, don't use your birthday or password 123. Qonto's system will likely have a strength indicator to help guide you, so pay attention to that. Once you've confirmed your new password, you'll get a confirmation email, and you're all set. Easy, right? Now, for the more common, slightly more urgent scenario: you've forgotten your password. Don't panic. Qonto has a secure and simple recovery process in place. On the login page, you'll see a link that says something like Forgot Password or Reset Password. Click on that. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Qonto account. This is the email you use to log in, so make sure you type it correctly. After you hit enter, Qonto will send a password reset link to that email address. Now, a very important note here: check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email right away. Sometimes these automated emails get filtered. Once you find the email, click on the reset link provided. This link is unique to you and is time-sensitive for security reasons. Clicking it will take you to a new page where you can create a brand new password. Just like before, follow those best practices, make it strong, unique, and memorable to you, but not to anyone else. Once you've created and confirmed your new password, you'll get another confirmation email, and you'll be able to log into your Qonto account with your new credentials. So, whether you're being proactive or you've found yourself in a tight spot, changing your Qonto password is a simple process designed to keep your business's finances secure. Just remember to use a strong password and, if you're resetting it, always go through the official Qonto process to avoid any security risks. It's a small action that makes a huge difference in your digital security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.